Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Samal Shardar and this is the third tutorial of this series. In previous lecture we discussed about which are the data types in JavaScript. There is mainly two type of JavaScript, primitive and non-primitive, and we discuss also what are that primitive like number, string, boolean, undefined, null. So also we discuss about that non-primitive, so non-primitive array object, regular expression. So so today we agenda is to discuss in details the primitive data like number, string, boolean. So for start this video. So open my VS Code. So first we discuss about that. I want to say that um, if you use no different language like C, C++, or uh, Java, where you need to define variable exactly which is the data type. Like if you want to store number, then that for you use int. For floating point number, there is a data type is a float. In for character, they have a data type is of char. But in JavaScript is totally different. Here is no specifically you need to define for this. For example, if you there is a keyword where for the where, and after that you need to type the name of the variable. If I take x and if I put 10 on it, so right now the type of x is number. So let's check what is the value of x. Console.log value of x, and also we want to console type of x. Okay, so right now the value is 10, so it is the type of number. So if I run node and the file name q.3.js, so value of x right now 10 and the type of number. And if I talk about now string, so in JavaScript we can um, write string as single quote or double quote. You can whatever you choose. So I quoted and write my name. So if I console value of x and type of x, it gives the value of as a Samashardar, and type of x is string. So as you see that JavaScript so much advanced that it is automatically identify that which kind of data it is. No required to specify all these things. And if I change the value of x like true or false, and then it is give boolean value. Now the value of x is true and it is a boolean value. So now we talk about the null and undefined. So basically, when you define a variable, like if I define a variable and not assign any value, then what happened? JavaScript assign a value to this variable. So right now the x values is undefined, which is given by the JavaScript machine, and it is type of undefined. So let's check right now what is the value of x. So the value of the x is undefined and type of undefined, and there is another property null which we put with null, and so it is a type of object. So right now the x has a no value, so it is give the null, and if I console of x, then it is giving me the object. Yeah. So this is the five important data types that you need to um, get or used entire your JavaScript series. So this is for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys.